Assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome in my channel BB Crochet Ideas. How are you all? I hope my all friends are good. God bless you and always be happy. So friends, in this video I am providing gorgeous and trendy crochet cushions collection. So don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end. These cushions designs are so stunning and unique. I hope you all love these beautiful ideas. So viewers, share the video with your friends, family who want crochet collection ideas. I really hope that they will love these beautiful ideas. Guys, different people have different choices and they love different colors. In this video, you will see different colors, different and decent unique design. You can design your cushions with using these ideas. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass crochet cushions collection, it's an amazing collection for them. They will get new designs and new ideas related to crochet collections. These articles mostly used for home decoration. Guys, crochet things represent our cultural beauty. These articles are very attractive. If you all love this article and if you want more crochet designs ideas, so like my video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Be connected with me and remember me in your prayer. See you soon friends. Allah Hafiz.